So welcome to the KMT Traders channel. We are looking at Usdjpy. Just before I get into all of the analysis for this video, I just wanted to mention that I'm basically providing a lot of Twitter updates now based on my video analysis. So this will obviously give you the opportunity to see my analysis and my thought processes on a lower time frame through the week, and this will allow you to get into the trades and see my setup. So if you want to take part in the trades I do, then that's a thing that I'm going to be doing right now. So that will be based on Twitter. So if you want to follow me on Twitter, have a look in the description for my handle, and that will be all of my updates from Twitter on there. So let's get back into the video. So right now here I'm showing the scenarios that I placed last week, and unfortunately we didn't actually get the momentum for price action to get where we are, and as you can see, so scenario one, what I was looking for was the price to hopefully try get back into the wedge that we have here in purple. I'll take it back a step or two on the time frame so you can see what I mean later. But we didn't get that scenario, so this was instant like no-go sort of thing. So that scenario didn't happen, and scenario two didn't happen either because we didn't get reached towards the top of the wedge line, so we couldn't obviously expect a rejection from this level. So this was also an invalid scenario as well. But the before I deleted all of that, let me see if I can replay it. No, I don't think it will. But before all of this happened, during the week we had the NFP, so you know this influenced a lot of the USD pairs, and we can see that we're jumping back up into the wedge. We're trying to retest this level as support from this high, so we're technically trying to see if we can get back up. So let's step it out for a week and let me explain what I'm seeing. So yeah, so we can see that we're doing our best to get back into this channel, as you can see in purple. This is the wedge that we've got forming on the weekly. So we've obviously broken out for the past few weeks and we're trying to get back in. So let's take it to the daily. And just looking at the daily, we can see that we've was able to close above our key level, so it gives us an idea that we may see some sort of movement back upwards. As you can see, the change of momentum is slowly coming back up around, which is good to see, so we can anticipate that part of a trade, but we're just going to have to see how it reacts in this level here. So if I just go ahead and draw it, just want to see how price reacts in this level here. So if we take it to the 4 hourly, and you can see how I just literally just drew that, it was literally straight onto the T. So price is basically rejecting this. So, and we can see that we're overselling on condition wise. This perhaps might be a good idea for us to short this pair right now potentially, but I'm looking at the overall EMAs right now. What we could do is potentially short this pair in one way or another. So let's draw out some possible scenarios. So if we are able to get the push, a further push, we may see another retest here before we go down, or we may see price to come back up here, another retest, and then we come down, or we get the third scenario where we come back up, another retest upon the wedge as the bottom half, and that acting as support, and then we shoot straight back up. I'm anticipating that we go up, but I'm not too sure on which scenario we'll place as of yet. Just need a little bit more of information. My sense through the overselling condition of the RSI is telling me that we should be shorting this pair now, in a sense, but I believe our opportunity has just been missed. you could do it for 20 odd pips if you want to do for it now, but I want to see another retest before we get the final confirmation, so perhaps a double top before we get down. That will give me the heads clear for us to go further down. If we fail to break above this box, if we get into this box or any higher, then I'm looking to see how price forms on our bottom of this purple line, see if it either acts as resistance or support, and we'll go through there. So that will be all for this analysis on the video for USDJPY. And if you want to get involved with how I'm trading with USDJPY, as I said at the start of the video, just go ahead and check out my Twitter link. Just give me a follow, and you'll see all my setups and the analysis, how to get on it on a lower time frame. So hopefully you'll follow. Hopefully it's a benefit towards you. And it would be good to interact with some of you guys. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.